In today's video, we are going to be filming a keynote here, not too far away from where I live out here in the Atlanta area, for a client that flew in from up north to give a keynote to some industry professionals. I'm going to take you along with me to show you how I pretty much set up for a keynote. It's going to be a 2-camera angle. I'll have one camera as a static wide shot, and I'll have the other to pick up my client as she's walking around. Hopefully we should be there within the next maybe 15 minutes, and I'll show you guys how I set it all up and go from there. Let's get it.
All right, so the plan is to have these lights all set up and ready to go. There we go. Now these lights are somewhat cheesy because they don't have the exact dial-in temperature, so I'm just going to go right in the middle for both so I can color correct that. Give me a little bit more juice to them. Now 3/4 power. And bounce it up. So that light's going to hit. The ceilings on this side. Just make it a little bit nice on her, so you're gonna get like a ton of shadows on her. Oh yeah, this shadow's coming through regardless on this. The shadows in the room. Just cut this off to check. Oh yeah, there's definitely shadows. I'm just gonna blast it, give me a little bit more for her. The whole point is to make sure she's bright. And that's naturally just going to happen in this case here. But we're just gonna let it rock. Get it up just a little bit higher. Go. Get this one up a little bit higher.
Hey, this is Lauren Fado with Unconventional CFO. Today I'm at the Atlanta Build Expo and I'm so excited because today I get the opportunity to teach blue-collar business owners the 4 critical key metrics to review in their finances of their business, as well as unleashing the power of their cash flows. Come and join me inside. All right, so I think we're gonna get started. First, I just want to acknowledge and appreciate that everybody came. Yeah, oh, I'm happy to send the slides afterwards. Yeah, so you guys, if you want to take photos, you're more than welcome to, but I will send out the slides. I'm going to send out a template as well as the checklist document as well. So like after I'm done, feel free, let's make sure I have your emails and everything I will send you guys. Okay,